Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Jeep Renegade gas cap. For most Renegade models, there's no interior release lever. Simply locate the fuel door on the passenger side at the rear of your vehicle. Gently but firmly push on the rear edge of the fuel door. You'll feel it release, and it will spring open slightly, giving you access to the gas cap. Once the fuel door is open, you'll see the gas cap. This is a standard screw-on type. Turn the cap counterclockwise until it loosens and spins freely. You should hear a few clicks, indicating it's fully disengaged. Carefully remove the cap and place it securely in the designated holder on the fuel door, preventing it from dangling or getting lost while you refuel. With the gas cap removed, you can now insert the fuel nozzle into your Jeep Renegade's filler neck and begin refueling. Once you've finished adding fuel, remove the nozzle. To secure the cap, place it back onto the filler neck and turn it clockwise. Continue turning until you hear at least 3 clicks, ensuring it's properly tightened and sealed. This prevents fuel vapors from escaping. After securing the gas cap, gently push the fuel door closed. Apply a firm, even pressure until you hear a distinct click, indicating it has latched properly. Double-check that the fuel door is flush with the surrounding body panel of your Jeep Renegade to ensure a secure closure. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.